What's up everybody, welcome back to the Crypto Classroom, where in today's video I'm going to be talking to you about UFO Gaming. Now these guys are trying to revolutionize the metaverse. They're bringing a whole new concept into it of having a sort of a father planet, which is UFO Gaming, and having a lot of games underneath which will each have their own metaverse inside. So it's a project and an ecosystem planning for blockchain, play to earn, metaverse, NFTs, gaming, buying and selling of virtual land and making a passive income, and an initial DEX offering which they will have soon to offer staking implications and a lot more. Now these guys were already listed on KuCoin and they already have one game out, which is Super Galactic as I recall, and it looks pretty cool. So you can see a little glimpse of the actual game right now, and it's definitely something that I'm looking forward to if they do continue to release games as good as this one. Now, it's just a little teaser trailer, and for the time being, I'm going to take a little look at their website and see what exactly they're going to be planning to do in the future. Now, if you do enjoy the video, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and comment down below with your favorite thoughts about it. Now, a full-on play-to-earn metaverse that these guys are planning. Essentially, each planet will have their own game inside of it, and each game will have their own metaverse, their own land, which is all interconnected in the UFO Gaming metaverse. Now these guys are already quite huge. They're listed on CoinMarketCap and a lot of different exchanges, and as you can see, they have quite a market cap going on at this point. Now don't mind the red for the day, because obviously the market is sort of going down at this point, which is a story for another day, and which is why I'm going to do a little Bitcoin price action analysis at the end of the video. Now also, they're basically connecting gaming and the blockchain world so that you're not out there wasting time anymore playing games, but you're actually doing it to earn an income for yourself. So virtual land is going to be a huge part of this, where each game will have their own governing planet. They will run all of these virtual land auctions where you're able to buy the virtual land as NFTs, you're able to play in it, you're able to use it, and you're able to sell it for a higher price in the future, or a lower price if you're choosing a bad plot of land or if you don't monetize it properly. Now in the future, all of these pieces of land can be used to build infrastructure for the planet, such as virtual NFT stores, collection galleries, weapon stores, buying and selling NFTs from the actual game, and a lot more. Now the NFTs themselves from the UFO token itself looks something like this. So they're really cool, they're dancing around, and there is a lot of different examples of them which you can check out on Instagram, including the Super Galactica game right here, which is in its alpha stages. And yeah, I showed you the little teaser trailer on their Twitter. By the way, I do recommend you give them a follow to follow up on everything these guys will be doing in the future. Check out the link tree and a lot more info, because these guys are very active with their community and getting everyone involved. Now, May 25th, the Staking the app launch is coming out as well on your mobile phone. It's very simple to use. All you need to do is buy the UFO token, and you can do it on quite a lot of places, as you can see right here. KuCoin, they were listed already. Uniswap, Shiba Swap if you want to go decentralized, Gate, MEXC, and Bitmart as well. Now, a few of the things that these guys are actually doing at this point is, first of all, they had their Genesis NFT collection. It's the very first edition of these NFT characters that you are able to actually purchase and stake through their staking mobile application. Now, play to earn is obviously a system going on here as well. So UFO will be the governance token, and UAP will serve as the second token which people can earn for completing in-game quests, tournaments, PvP battles, and more. And obviously you will be able to exchange UAP into UFO and into dollars or real money if you want to at any point. There will be a rating system as well, unlike traditional play-to-earn games, where each character or player who is more active will get a better rating and be worth more ultimately. Breeding and trading of characters will be an addition as well. Now imagine you have this main metaverse, which is the UFO Gaming one, and you have 10 sub-planets and sub-games, and in each of them you have a certain character or two characters. When you start breeding and when you start accumulating that passive income through staking and doing all of these things, you are able to make quite an income for yourself in their NFT marketplace. And this is all stuff that will be coming out in the future. They have an extensive roadmap in their white paper right here, quite huge stuff. Audited already the token launch, a little bit about all of these events that they're holding on, the 2 tokens coming out, the ERC 721 structure, the dark matter metaverse as well, Super Galactic, the space map, and a little bit about what these guys are going to be doing in the future. So it's a really cool project, and it all ends up with the NFT marketplace. So this is going to be a place where players can trade characters, weapons, and other in-game items with UFO itself. Generally, it's a project that I really wanted to show you guys. I found it and I wanted to comment on it a little bit, so I do recommend you give them a follow and definitely check it out to stay up to date with all of their future announcements. Now, for the end of the video, I wanted to give you a little glimpse into Bitcoin's price action, because we are moving pretty bearish right now due to a lot of rate hikes from central banks around the world in the attempt to stop inflation and lower it, since it has been getting quite crazy since the beginning of COVID times. Now, we did have, when it comes to Bitcoin, a nice, I say nice because I'm trying to be very unbiased at this point, but we had a bearish correction structure which was broken out of. And every time you have a bearish flag happen, at least in my experience, when the flag is broken, right, you see the same impulse as you did see at the start. So as you can see, this is the minimum price objective, or something that I call the minimum price objective. And when it comes to Bitcoin, well, the minimum price objective is exactly this impulse that happened before. And if you plot it right like this, it comes up approximately into the 17K level. Now, this is not something you should be scared of, because even though you probably bought some here, you probably bought some crypto here, you bought a little bit of Bitcoin here, well, just keep dollar cost averaging or DCAing and you will be fine in the crypto world. So if it reaches prices of around 24K, buy a little bit of crypto, right? If it reaches 20K, buy a little bit more substantially. And if it reaches, 15K, well, this is the time to, potentially all in. Now, obviously, I'm not a financial advisor, and you should do your own research and diligence before investing into anything in the crypto world. But I'm just talking to you from a perspective of long-term growth. Everything that goes up must come down, but usually with crypto, it just keeps going up over time. So that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure to check out UFO Gaming. These guys are really cool, and I can't wait to see what they're going to bring us in the future. If you enjoyed it, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and comment down below with your favorite thoughts about it. And I'll see you guys in the next video.